Something Short can dance. Elmo would like to know more about Grover, Maria, Big Bird, and all of his friends on Sesame Street. Wouldn't you? How can we find out more? All right. We can watch the Grover, Maria, Big Bird, and all of Elmo's friends channel. Turn yourself on, TV.
Welcome to the Grover, Maria, Big Bird, and all Elmo's Friends channel. All Elmo's Friends all the time. And now on the Grover, Maria, Big Bird, and all Elmo's Friends channel, the girl who got lost and found.
I'm completely lost. Where am I?
La 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 la.
Hello there. Huh? An 8-foot yellow bird?
That's 8 foot too.
Oh, I'm lost.
No, you're not. You're on Sesame Street.
Oh, yeah, Sesame Street. There it is. Can you tell me how I got to Sesame Street? Whoa, watch out!
I thought I heard the sounds of a lost traveler in distress.
I'm not lost anymore.
I have saved the day again. But wait, if you're not lost, where are you?
I'm on Sesame Street.
This is not the Champs-Elysees.
Hi. Nice to see you.
Well, welcome to Sesame Street.
Wow, what a friendly place. What do you do around here besides all this friendly welcoming?
Lots of great stuff.
Yeah, like the alphabet song and dance.
Whoa, I've heard of the alphabet song, but not the alphabet dance. How does it go?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'll dance with you if you'll dance with me. H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. I'll dance all day if you'll dance with me. Q, R, S, T, U, V. I'll dance all night if you'll dance with me. W, X, Y, and Z. That's the alphabet song and dance with me.
Wow, is this street great? Fun and educational at the same time.
Hey, get lost.
I was lost.
Well then, get lost again.
Whoa! Bye, everyone.
Bye.
What a nice little girl.
Coming up next on the Grover, Maria, Big Bird, and all Elmo's Friends channel, Counting with the Count. You give me 20 seconds and we'll count to 20.
Thanks, TV. I want to learn even more about Sesame Street. Don't you? How can we find out even more? What was that? Super Grover, yay!
Never crash landed in a closet before. Now, did my super ears hear you say that you wanted to know even more about Sesame Street?